Hello, am I audible, guys? You can
Yes,
use the
sir.
chat. Yeah, all right. So you can also unmute or use the chat option to answer. All right, no issues there. Let's see, we have some new students here, and Aline is back after a few days. Right, you missed a few classes there.
Yes, sir.
And Khalil is also here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Did you revise?
Yes, sir.
All right. So how is everyone?
Fine, sir.
Fine. The chapter we're discussing was sequence and series, and the topic was geometric progression, right? All the students who are new here, don't worry. I'll explain the chapter. Okay, recall the whole chapter in a few minutes. All right. Okay. Give me a few minutes. The new students we have are Alvia, Mazia, and is there anyone else? No, not yet. Peer is also back after a few classes.
Yes, sir.
All right. All the students who were present in the last class, try to solve this question. All right. And the students who are new here, don't worry about this. Okay. We'll discuss this. Just the students who were present in the last class. All right. Try to solve this. All right. Please try to solve this one. All right. All the students who are new here. The chapter starts with sequence. All right. Can anybody tell me what a sequence is? The new students? Alvia or Mazia?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what a sequence is?
A pattern, a particular pattern.
Absolutely right. A pattern, right? A simple pattern. Suppose I write 2, 4, 6, 8. Can you tell me the next number? Alvia, can you tell me the next number?
10, 12, 14.
Yeah. How did you know that 10 is to be going to the next number?
Because like it's forming a pattern of multiples of 2.
Right, absolutely right. Or I can say that the difference between these two numbers are 2. Same with this, and so on, right? We can also say that. So this kind of patterns, numbers following some pattern is called sequence. All right, and series is if we add them, we use plus instead of comma, then we call series. Otherwise, it's a sequence. All right, we're clear. The first pattern we are going to study is called arithmetic progression. You must have studied this in class 10th,
Yes, sir.
right? Wait 1 minute, give me a second. Okay, the first thing we are going to study is arithmetic progression. All right, write this down, new student. Arithmetic progression is where numbers differ by a specific constant number, right? Like if I write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, the difference here is 2. We always calculate the difference like this: 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 7 minus 5. All right, never like this 5 minus 7. This is wrong. We always have to calculate 7 minus 5. Here 9 minus 7. All right, and if the difference is constant 2, 2, 2, then this is called an arithmetic progression. All right, are we clear? New students, right?
Sir.
Okay, so the formula for general term of an AP is this. Write this down, new students. Did you write this down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what this gives is, if you want fifth term, then you just have to write n equals to 5 in this formula. All right, then you will get a5 equals to a plus 5 minus 1 into t. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, a is the first term here, t is the difference. All right.
Yes.
Okay, did you write this? This is called general term. All right, so if I give you a question 0, 5, 10, 15, find the 20th term. Please try to solve this question. This is the sequence and this is the question. Find the 20th term. All right. I'll give you a few minutes for this.
Sir, 95.
Okay, let's see if it's 95. All right, how to solve this? Can anyone take me through the steps? We'll use this formula.
An is equal to
Yes, n minus 1 into d, right?
D.
N
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 20.
Yeah. So n equals to 20. And now,
A20 is equal to
okay, a20 equals to
0 plus
0
20
plus
minus 1.
20 minus 1 into 5.
5. All right. So this is 19 into 5, and this is 95. The question. Let's try. Find 17th term. I'll give you a few minutes for this. Okay, Alin has the answer.
minus 2.
Right, we'll see how to solve this. Yeah,
A
Messiah can. Yeah, let Messiah take us through the steps.
equal to a plus b.
All right, and the value of n.
Negative
Yeah, a is -3,
negative 3,
d equals to
negative 3,
-3, right?
m is 17,
N is 17, right? We'll put the formula, right? So a is 17 equals to -3 plus -3 minus 1 into, sorry, this is 17 minus 1 into -3. You can solve this and you'll get your answer. All right, very easy. Anyone,
Yes,
does
sir.
anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, let's move on. Right, summation formula. All right, summation formula. Formula is this. Write this down. Did you write it down? Yeah, A, N, and D. You know what they are, right? No doubts there. So, how to apply this formula? The same type of question. See, now the question asks, what is the sum of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus dot 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 up to 25 terms, right? This formula is used for this only, to find the summation of an arithmetic progression. All right, to find the summation of an arithmetic progression. Is this an arithmetic progression? I don't hear any answers. Is this an arithmetic progression? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So can you apply this formula and tell me the answer? Let's make this 24 for your convenience. All right. Please try to for S24, right? Sum of first 24 terms. So S24, the value of n is 24, right? So 24 upon 2, the value of a is 2 plus n is 24. So 24 minus 1 and difference is 2. You'll solve this and get your answer. All right. Are you clear? Okay. Let's solve another question and we'll move forward. Please solve this. sum. All right, Aline, now solve this question. All right, Aline has the answer. Anyone else? Mazaya, Alvia, what about you? Okay. Yeah, Alvia, tell me.
जी सर.
Do you have the answer?
सर एक सेकेंड.
जी. Okay, I'm getting different answers. So let's see who is right. All right. How to solve this? Alvia, take me through the steps. Take the steps. Okay. M- Mazia, you take me to the steps.
N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b,
All right.
when a is equal to -5,
Okay.
b is equal to -5,
Okay.
n is equal to 18,
Right.
Sn is
Yeah. So this is S18 equals to 18 upon 2 into 2 into -5 plus 8 minus 1 into -5. Right. So this is 9 into -10 plus 17 into -5. This is 9 into -10. This is -85, I guess. All right. So this is 9 into -95. So this is no, which one? So yes, 855. Absolutely right. Okay, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
No doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. If anyone hasn't done this, please note this down. Otherwise we'll just move on. Okay. Done?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So this is all about arithmetic progression. All right. We'll do few questions after the class. All right. In the next class maybe. Now, right, geometric progression. Geometric progression is where the ratio of the terms are constant like this. If this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. The ratio here we will find by 2 upon 1. All right. Here this is 4 upon 2. Here this is 8 upon 4. This is 16 upon 8. The term divided by the term preceding that. 2 upon 1. 4 upon 2. 8 upon 4. All right. So this is 2. This is 2. This is 2. This is 2. So all the ratios are constant. So this sequence will be called geometric progression. All right. Clear?
Yes.
How does this look? This looks like this. A, AR, AR square, AR cube, or raised to the power 4, and so on. All right. Here A is the first term. R is the common ratio. All right. Just note this down. All right, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me if this is a geometric progression. Is this a geometric progression? Is this a geometric progression? Mazia? Okay. And Alvia? Alvia is not answering. Okay. And Aline, is it a geometric progression? Okay. What is the common ratio here?
1/2.
1 divided by 2. All right. R is
Sir, why 1 by 2 is the common ratio?
yeah. See, we'll do 1 upon 2, right? Any number divided by the previous number. So 1 by 2 for these two. For this two, it will be half upon 1. For this two, it will be 1 upon 4 upon 1 upon 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll always get 1 upon 2. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tell me about this. Is this a geometric progression?
Yes, sir. It is geometric progression.
Sorry.
It is geometric progression.
Yeah, it is a geometric progression. And the common ratio is
-1.
so -1. Yeah. Clear? Everyone is clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. The general term for geometric progression is an equals to a r raised to the power n minus 1. Write this down. The same as AP. If you have to find fifth term, then write A5. If you have to find 11th term, then write A11. Right? Put the value of n there, where A is the first term, R is the common ratio, n is the number of term you have. All right? Are we clear? Okay, write this down.
Done, sir.
All right. Then solve this question. Find 12th term. I'll give you 2 minutes to solve this. Then tell me the answer. Okay. Nobody has the answer. Okay, 4 raised to the 11. All right. See how to solve this. We have a equals to 1, r equals to 4 upon 1, that is 4, right? And n equals to 12. So we have to find a 12, and that is a into r raised to the power n minus 1. So this is 1 into 4 raised to the power 12 minus 1, that is 4 raised to the power 11. Right? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note it down if anybody didn't solve it. Or didn't solve this question. Find 16th term. This is the next question. For this, I'll give you a few minutes. Okay. Aline has answered this. Anybody else? Alvia, Marcia,
Yes, sir.
are you able to solve this?
No, sir.
No. Okay, see. Just write down the values, right? We have a equals to minus 2, right? First term. How to find r? Take the second term, minus half, divide by first term, 2 minus 2. This minus minus is plus. So this is 1 upon 4, right? Clear? Alvia, are you clear? Did you get this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
The value of n is 16. The formula you going to use is this. Here the value of n is 16. So this is a is minus 2 into r is 1 upon 4. This is 16 minus 1. So this is minus 2 into 1 upon 4, 15. This is your answer. All right.
So we cannot solve it further.
How do you want to solve this further? You want to find the answer, so 4 raised to 15. This is a very big number, right? You don't need to solve further.
Okay.
All right. And Aline and Marcel,
Sir, we
you
can-
both have. Say, Aline,
Sir-
you are saying something. Yeah.
We can
Your voice
reduce
is
it.
breaking. Your voice is breaking, Aline. Can you repeat what you said?
Sir, we can cancel minus 2 and 1 by 4, right?
You want to cancel this?
This.
No, you cannot do that, right? Because this is 4 raised to the power 15. And this is just minus
Okay.
2, right? If you cancel it, then this becomes 2 raised to the 15. You didn't just cancel it 2, you canceled 2 raised to the 15. See,
Yes, sir.
you got me, right? This is 2 into 2 raised to the 15. So this is minus 2 into 1 upon 2 raised to the 15 into 1 upon 2 raised to the 15. So you can just cancel 1, 2, not all of them. All right.
Yes.
All right. Please note it down if anybody didn't note it down. All right. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. Okay, are we done?
Sir.
Okay. Write down summation formula. For geometric progression. Formula is or few people write it like this also, 1 minus r raised to n 1 minus r. Same thing. If you write this or this, same thing. All right, note it down.
Done, sir.
All right. How to apply this formula? If you have a question like this, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, the value of a here is 2, r is 2, and suppose we have to find till 15 terms, summation 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, like this. All right, up to 15 terms, and n equals to 15. So the final answer will be S15 equals to 2 into 2 raised to the power 15 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. All right, this is 2 into 2 raised to the 15 minus 1. Don't try to solve this further. All right, this is enough. All right,
Done, sir.
okay. So write down the question. Find summation up to 20 terms. All right, I'll give you a few minutes. Okay, any doubts? Yes.
1 by 5 raised to 20.
All right, let's see. The value of A here is, Maria, what is the value of A?
-5.
-5. The value of R is
1 by 5.
1 by 5. All right. And N is
20.
So let's see. S20 equals to A into R raised to the power N minus 1 upon R minus 1. Minus 5 into R is 1 upon 5 raised to the power 20 minus 1 upon 1 upon 5 minus 1. Right? So this is minus 4 by 5. We can write this minus 5 into 1 upon 5 raised to the power 20 minus 1 minus 4 upon 5. So this minus minus cancelled. 25 upon 4 into 1 upon 5 raised to the power 20. That's one. This will be your answer. Clear? Yes, Aryan is absolutely right. All right. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Note this down if you haven't. All right. Let's solve another question. Write down a question. How many terms of GP how many terms of GP 3, 3 square, 3 cube, and so on are needed to give 20? All right. Try to solve this question by yourself. Then we'll discuss about this. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Okay, let's solve this. Here, value of A is 3, R is 3. N we need to find, and Sn equals to 120. Yes, let's see. Okay, Alim is saying 7 is the answer, and Mazaya, you have to tell me the answer of N, right? You told me the equation. Right, let's see. So this is clear. Alvia, are we clear about this? A is 3, R is 3, N is, we don't know. Sn is 120, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Sn, we know the formula. A. So 120 equals to 3. R is 3 raised to the power n or 3 minus 1, right? So this is 120 upon 3, and this is 2 will be multiplied on this side. So this is 40. 40 into 2 is 80 equals to, so 3n equals to 81. How to solve this equation? See, we have 3n equals to 81,
By
and this is,
comparing,
yeah, absolutely right, by comparing. This is 3 raised to the power what? 4, right? 81 is 3 raised to the power 4. Are we clear? Alvia, Adin,
Yes,
this is
sir.
clear, right? Right. So n equals to 4 we have. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Adin, you got n equals to 7. How did that happen?
Sir, calculation.
Calculation mistake. Okay. So if anybody needs to write this, please write it down. I'll give you 2 minutes to write it down. Okay.
Sir, can you show the last part?
Done.
Done, sir.
All right. Now let's go back to the question I gave. The first question I gave in the class, right? Which was 7 plus 77 plus 77, and like this, right? Khalil, have you solved this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you take me through the steps?
So first we take 7 common.
Absolutely right. Let's take 7 common. This will be 1 plus 11 plus 1, 1, 1, and so on in terms,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
After that,
Uh,
and everybody needs to focus in this question, all right? This was the question. Find the sum of 7 plus 77 plus 777, like this. Mhm.
so then we take we multiply and divide by 9.
Right. Okay, let me explain this question to others. Okay, then you explain, Khalid. See, this is not a GP, this is not an AP, but we need to find the sum. So what we do is first take 7 common from all of those terms. All right, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. And Khalid, now we multiply and divide by 9. All right. And now Khalil,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Now what to do?
So the bracket will become n plus, I mean 9 plus 99.
Right, right. Yeah, Mazia, you'll get to see why 9. All right, in a few minutes. This is 9 plus 99 plus
Plus
999.
999.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense now. Like why 9, why not 8? But you'll see in a few minutes. All right. Okay. Next step, Khalil.
Then instead of 9, we take 10 minus 1. And instead of
Right.
99, we take 1001 till end ups.
Absolutely right. Mazia, are we clear now? Because this is 9, we can write this as 10 minus 1. This is 99, we can write 100 minus 1. Like this. All right.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, but
Okay.
how did you get 7 by 9 into 9?
I can multiply a number, right? This is 9 and 9 cancel. This is just
Yeah.
7. I,
Yeah.
I just multiplied and divided by 9. All right. And this 9 was multiplied inside the bracket. All right.
Sir, but how you got the 9?
Oh, let's see. If I have 4, can I multiply a 5 and divide by 5? Can I do this?
Yes, sir.
This is what I did, right? I had 7. I multiplied by 9, then divided by 9.
Oh, okay.
Are you clear?
So we can choose any numbers like that?
No, no, no. You cannot choose any number. We chose 9 because of specific reason. Because we wanted to get like this 999, 999. And why we wanted
Okay.
this? Because we wanted to write 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1, 1000 minus 1. All right.
Okay, sir.
All right. See, any type of question like this, they can give you 888888 6666 like this. All right. You first take the number common, then multiply and divide by 9, then write like this. This is the step you need to reach. 9 plus 99 plus 999 like this. Once you reach this step, rest is absolutely common. Exactly same. All right. Okay, Khalil. The next step is Khalil. You need to tell me all the steps of this question.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then we separate minus 1 into another bracket.
All right. So I'll write this as 10. See, this is 10 plus 100 plus 1000. And like this till n terms, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 up to n terms. Everybody clear about this step?
Yes, sir.
All right. Please write this down first. Write this down till this step, then we'll solve further. All right, are we done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Khalil, next step.
So then instead of -1, since there are n ones, you will write n there.
Yeah, right. This is 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus up to n. So I can just write this as minus n, right? Because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5 times is 5, 10 times is 10. So n times is n. All right. Everybody clear?
Sir, can you write and
Sorry, what did you say?
write it?
See, if I write 1 plus 1 plus 1, so this is 3 times 1. So the answer is 3. If I write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus like 10 times, then the answer will be 10, right? 10 times 1 is 10.
Yes.
So if this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 till n terms, then the answer is n. Can I say this?
Yes,
But
sir.
because this was minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, I can take minus common and write this is minus n.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Khalil, what to do?
Sir, what about the 10? The 100?
Which 100?
What
Okay,
about
yeah, that Khalil will tell us, right? I don't know what to do, so Khalil will tell. Okay. So, Khalil, please tell me the next step. What to do about this 10 plus 100 and 1000?
So then this will become a GPA.
How? How is it a GP?
10 plus 100 plus 1000. Till
Yeah,
end.
right. Right. The ratio is common, right? 10 is the common ratio. Alvi, are we clear now? This is a GP, right? 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus so on. This is a GP.
Yes, sir.
All right. And now, Khalil, what to do?
So then we use the formula Sn is equal to a plus r n minus 1 by r minus 1.
Absolutely right. And the value of A here is 10. R is also 10. And N is N.
10.
N terms, right? Yeah. So let's use the formula for this. A into R n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Don't write this formula. I'm just showing you to show, right? Don't write this step in the exam. Skip this step. Write directly. This is Sn equals to 9 upon the value of A is 10. R is also 10. raised to the power n upon 10 minus 1, and this is minus n. All right, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now solve this further. 7 upon 9, this is 10 upon 9, right? This is 9 into 10 minus n. You can open these brackets or you can leave it like this, no issues. All right, this is the final answer. Write the steps. Are we clear? Everybody is clear about this question?
Yes, sir.
No doubts?
No, sir.
All right, please write this down. Done with this? You copied it?
Done, sir.
Okay. So please try to solve this question by yourself. All right. Let's find this question. 6 plus 66 plus 66 up to n term. All right. Tell me the answer. Same question, right? Just go through the steps. Try to solve it by yourself. Right, Khalil, absolutely right. Let's give others a few minutes for this one, right? Right. So everyone has the answer. All right. Any doubts, Alvia, Mazia?
No, sir.
Okay, all right. So let's move on. Solve this question. Write down. Given a GP with A equals to 729, 7 term as 64, find S7. Okay. Given a GP with A equals to 729, 7 term is 64, find S7. I'll give you a few minutes to solve this. Have you solved this?
Yes, sir.
All right, take me through the steps. Let's see.
So first we'll find the common ratio.
Okay, and how to do that?
AN is equals to ARN minus 1, this formula.
Okay. After that,
Then we'll find the R, then we'll put it in
how to
the
find
other
R?
formula.
Take me through the steps here. AN is 64. The value of A is 729.
64 is equals to 729, R 7 minus 1, R to the power of 6.
Right. So R to the power of 6 is 64 upon 729. As simple as that. R equals to 64 upon 729, 1 upon 6, right? And this is
Then
2 upon
3.
3. Okay. So R we have as 2 upon 3. So what do we have to find? S7?
Sn
A into R n minus 1 upon R minus 1, right?
yes.
So 729 into 3, 7 minus 1 upon 2 upon 3 minus 1. 729. See, 2 upon 3 into 6 is 64 upon 729. So if you have to find 7, then you can multiply, right? Against 2, this is 129, 128 upon, this will be 1458 minus 1 upon minus 1 by 3. You can simplify this and you will get your answer. All right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Anybody has any doubts? No? Okay, write it down if you haven't. Tell me when you are done. All right. Write down summation of a GP with mod r less than 1. All right. What this means is if the ratio, common ratio is less than 1, right? Suppose we have like this. What is the common ratio here? What is the common ratio here?
1 by 4.
1 by 2. Absolutely right. So can I say that 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 like this? See, this is 1. This is 1 by 2. So 1 is better, more than 1 by 2, right? Greater than that. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. Terms are getting smaller and smaller and smaller each time, right? Right? Okay. Can I say that after many terms, like infinite terms, it will almost get to 0? Can I say that? Are you sure? Yeah. So if someone asks you to sum this, what will be the answer till infinite terms? What will be its answer? One plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, infinite terms. What will be the answer? Sorry, you're not audible. Who is speaking?
Infinite.
Infinite, right? Why is it infinite? Because the numbers are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and if you add them all, then it will reach to infinite. But in this case, in the first case, the numbers are getting smaller, right? And the infinite term will be 0. So there must be some finite answer to this, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So how to calculate this? We are going to learn this. All right. So write down the formula for this is Sn equals to A upon 1 minus R. Very easy formula. A upon 1 minus R. All right. You can simply use this formula. All right. When to use this formula? When you have to add infinite terms and mod R should be less than 1. Okay, the number should be getting smaller, not bigger. All right. So can you find the sum of this? Try to find the sum of this 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 into infinite terms. How to find this? Sn will be A is 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2. So this is 1 upon half. So the answer is 2. See, all these terms added will be 2. All right.
Yes, sir.
So write down a new question. Everyone is clear, right, about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write this one down. Hmm. Right. Sum of infinite terms. I'll give you a few minutes. Okay, let's see what is the answer. Alin is saying 16 by 7. Anybody else have the answer? Anyone else has the answer? Alvia, Mazia, Khalid. You don't have the answer? Let's all see. We have A equals to 2, right? A equals to 2, R equals to 1 upon 8. Are we clear about this? Is anybody going to speak anything? Say anything?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the answer will be Sn equals to upon 1 minus R. So this is 2 upon 1 minus 1 upon 8. So this is 2 upon 7 upon 8. So this is 16 by 7. This is your final answer. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Alvia, any doubts?
No, sir.
No. All right. Let's move on. Write it down if you have to note it down. Solve this one. Let's see. And you can write this also, that this kind of series, right, which ends in 0 and becomes smaller and smaller and smaller in each term, is called convergent series. All right, because they converge in 0. All right, this is where mod R is less than 1. All right, where mod R is greater than 1, this is called divergent series. We use this formula in convergent series, right? When mod R is less than 1. Clear? We're clear, right? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Now you can use this formula also very easily. Any doubts in this chapter? It's not
No,
finished.
sir.
We'll finish this chapter in the next class. All right. And the new students who came today, please try to solve NCERT questions also. All right. And type
Yes,
in
sir.
if you have any doubts. I haven't told you two things. One is arithmetic mean, one is geometric mean. These two I will tell you in the next class. All right. After that, we'll do few questions, then the chapter will be finished. All right.
Sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And Khalil and Mohammed Khalid, Alim, you need to solve all these questions, right? Your previous students. Peer Mohammed is very silent today. He's not speaking. That's fine.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. And please keep revising and ask any doubts you have. All right.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And see you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye bye.